system. You can reserve a locker to pick up your holds materials either of two ways, through our portal on our website or by calling us. You'll get an email or a text message to pick up your materials. When you come up to the library, you're going to touch the screen to start. You can choose your text message or your email. I have chosen text message. You can enter in a 5-digit code or a barcode scanner. To do the barcode, you just click the link that's in either the email or the text message, or you can enter in the 5-digit code. I'm going to choose the barcode scanner. It shows up like this on your phone. Choose scan. Hold it up to the scanner. It automatically opens the door. You can take the materials, such as a lovely cake pan, close the door, and click done. And you have a great day. Thank you so much. We're so excited.